What?
When you about to make a turn.
Right here, on the left. The turn signal's right here. You push down to go to the left, push it down. And you push up to go to the right. And you go in the middle to turn it off. In the middle.
I'm scared.
You scared, you don't need to drive. Put your left foot back. Put your right foot on the brake. Don't smush it down, gently. Once you put the car in drive, then you can put your foot gently on the gas to give it a little gas. So, push it. Push it down to drive. You gotta hold the silver button. Not me. Quincy, that's what you mainly gonna have your foot on, the brake. That's why I wouldn't do it. Gently lift your foot up off the brake. Gently. Give it a little gas. Go ahead. Gently. See, you going slowly, lightly. Press your foot on it lightly. Drive like an old man. Anytime you think you need to slow down or put your car, hit the lightly. Put your foot on the brake lightly. Slow us down. Yep. Everything you do lightly. So give us a little gas. Go all the way up and then come all the way back down. You don't turn the wheel too hard. The stern. Go up to the A, then make a left.
A1 or A2?
A1.
Somebody in here.
Shut up. Lightly. We shouldn't be jerking in the car.
Turn.
Yeah. That's why I said go up to the A, then make a left. Giving Quincy some driving lessons in the Marley Station parking lot. Next up gonna be Jalen. He doing pretty good. Yeah, let's see if you can park in the space. You a little out. See? You see where the line's at?
The white line.
Let's see if you can reverse. You in the wrong. I told you put it in D. Supposed to be on D, not M. So now let's see if you can reverse, which is R. Reverse back into the parking space.
I'm probably driving fast.
Look to your left.
Throw by itself.
No. Why are you looking on the ground? Into the parking space. You should be inside those lines. You should stop at the back of the white line. Where the white line at. Some more? Oh my goodness. It will be right there. You can see the shadow of the car in the space. And then you will park. You will put it in park. That's how you park. You can get a couple of more little laps around. The drive is D. D is drive. R is reverse. P is park. You still putting in M?
D diesel. I don't do the first time.
Drive, not diesel.
People comment on your stuff.
on turn the wheel or hard.
You might break my wheel.
Go through here.
Scared?
Hold on. Put your foot on the brake.
Yo.
Yo, you stepping on the brakes so hard.
Go through there. Lightly. Do not be nervous. Lightly press the gas. Lightly press the brake. Drive regular. You could give it a little gas to go a little faster. While you turn the wheel, straighten up. Left. You're driving so slow, you can give it a little gas. And don't turn the wheel all the way. See if you can go through here and go down here. Go all the way down to the end of here and come back in the parking lot.
Both ways.
You gotta stay on the right side is your lane. You see where these lines at? You stay on the right side of the lines because other people will be coming on that side. Go down. If people was coming out, you would have had to stop right here. And you stop at stop sign. What the? I don't like how you making my car. No. I don't like how you making my car sound.
I can feel something.
Your foot's still on the gas.
You reach. You're going to go to jail.
Whatever. They only come.
Look, it's black people trying to drive cars too. Always some black niggas walking on the street.
You watch them, watch how they
That red thing, sir. Reserved.
This empty over here. Just closed down over here.
Close this
But if it say reserved, you know you can't park in them spaces in real life.
Try to go straight through it, then. You hear me? Try to go straight through the cones.
No.
You hear me?
They doing it to back up. Because that's a part of the driving.
Ew. Are you looking at me like
Back
that?
up.
Yeah. Look, you have a eye contact with me.
Stop laughing at me.
What?
No, you
Let's
parked
watch
back.
this.
Y'all reverse.
Oh, they practicing going straight through
What, fat?
without hitting the cone.
Hey, mama.
Oh, they just learning. I thought
Hey,
they was
mama.
learning for the driving test.
Hey,
The
mama.
driving test, you gotta back up. gas is on the brake is on the left. The gas is on the right. So you switch your foot each time for whichever one you want to do. Before you start moving, you got to have your foot on the brake, which is on the left, the big square. You got to press down on the brake, and then you be able to move this. Because if your foot not on the brake, that won't move. So you're going to turn inside here. If you was turning from right here, you would put on your left signal. Gently. Don't run over that person on the bike.
Gotta drive off fast and stuff. Gotta drive off fast and stuff.
Try parking in the space. No, that's not parking into a space.
Nah.
You would have to move up some more. You can look on the side of you at the other spaces to see if you all the way close enough.
A little bit more.
Let's try to reverse. Foot on the brake. Then for reverse, you got the backup camera. So you back up into a space. You're gonna hit somebody's car.
What's this backing up?
Y'all need to get some learning stimulator. Something. Pressing it too
You
hard.
should give us that little car simulator thing. You hear me? Like with the wheel.
You're not
handle.
going outside here. No, you just turn left.
You gotta act like you really know how to drive. My daddy drive with one hand.
Hitting it too hard. You gotta lightly tap the brake and the
That'd be dope. One
Right.
hand like this.
I think somebody else over there practicing too. Yeah, white car. They practicing some hard. You have to stay on the right side. Slowly, slow it down.
Gas
Lightly tap the
gas.
brake. Lightly tap the brake. It's a stop sign. You don't stop after the sign. You stop before the sign. Go up here to this stop sign. Let's see if you can stop before the stop sign line. Yup, stop!
You're not funny.
Go, stop backing up. Stop. Put it in park. That's gonna be it. You about to crash into the curb. You don't get no damn turn.
I'm about to crash.
You Hell retarded. No.
You're not driving.
Yes, you was. You about to go in sidewalk.
Yes, you was. Yeah. I'm at park it right quick.
You'll never get that close to no fucking curb.
Don't let Riley drive. He retarded.
I was saying, when you got a stop sign, you stop behind the stop sign and pause for like 3 seconds. Yeah, I'm gonna get some more practice in. Whatever days when we out and we see a big parking lot that's empty,
I did good on my first time. Yeah, I don't know about you. I stopped at the stop sign. You want them all, right? How'd you turn the car off?
You gotta turn it off, man. But when you do turn it off, you turn it to the left. You turn it on to the right. You see that, Rye? I mean, Manny. So, that was... of driving lessons. I want to say they did okay for the first time, but they're gonna get a lot better, a lot more better. Need more practice. Till next time, peace out.